These markers actually have a dual nib, so you've got like a bullet tip on one end and then you've got a finer tip on the other, and all you need to do is flip it around. Now it's easy, of course, when it's fresh and you don't have any paint on it. I have some special tweezers that I keep next to me and I just flip it around with the tweezers. So I've used these markers on so many different surfaces. I've used them on paper, canvas, I've drawn on wood, MDF, I've done glass, I've done metal, I've drawn on plastic and ceramic, and even rocks and stones. I am not disappointed, guys.